All right, so today we have this amazing floodlight. Not only has motion detector, it records 1080. We can control the floodlight and automatic. When somebody pass by, they can turn on and turn off. It stays on 1 minute or 3 minutes, and even has alarm. And very bad for the speaker. It has a two-way audio, so I can hear and also I can send audio to the floodlight. And a super powerful light. If I turn this on now, you guys will see the light on this thing. All right, so let's wait there. I can see that right there, and let's turn the light on. This is a powerful LED light as well too, and camera all in one to use for outdoor. Let's begin now. How about it, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT. So today we got this great floodlight. What is good on it is a powerful LED in the camera too. Right, super easy to install. You can install this as hardwire installation, right? So you can take the floodlight and put it right here. What we get out of that? Instructions and all the requirements for installation, and even to protect your box that goes around the wall. All right, so let's check the light. All right, so I have a plugin. We're going to go over installation. So we see this here. We can move this left and right. All right, the camera alignment to move, so it has a nice vision as well too. Motion detector, and right over here we can put the micro SD card up to 128 GB, and also from here we can reset the camera. Installation is super easy. What I want you to do is for the installation, let's check that a second. Let's go, and it stays right there. So for the installation, what you need to do is do not scan this because it brings you to another site, but it's pretty simple. So iOS devices or either Google Play. All right, you're gonna search for webcam. All right, right there. If you look that page, do not scan that. Just go there and download it and install it. You just have to create an account, and then you're done. When you create an account, I'll show you now the picture. We're gonna bring this on my side so we can check that there. Let's put the light right there, and now you can see me right there. Okay, we want to go full motion here, so let's go to and see right there, real time. Great. If you see the great resolution, it's super easy to install, doesn't require much. All right, they give you the time, day, right after today, so synchronized with my phone. All right here, when we press there, I can turn on the microphone right there. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, right there, and I can turn the speaker on. I can record. I can turn the light from here, and even I can turn the alarm. We're gonna go that over in a second. Let's go into that screen. So then the screen, what we can do right here, we can turn the light on. Super powerful. If you see there, I can turn the alarm. Watch this. Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm pretty busy now.
The volume is 50%. Actually, because it's super loud. So they got all these alarms, okay, and even they have an alarm. Okay, oh, you can.
May I help you?
You can send a message. Okay, you can turn the microphone on, and it sends the audio. I guess take a picture, record, turn the speaker, and change it. Right now, it's in high resolution, 1080. All right, and let's go back that way. You see the camera right over here. Alarms here. If again, you allow you to share, play. You can add more cameras if you want. I'm gonna go in the configuration. We see the device name, lighting settings. Pretty simple lighting settings. How you want it. Bigger what? Bigger when somebody's approach. Automatic when it comes at night, it runs on automatically, or you can run the schedule as well too. And the time, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, you can customize that too. All right, we can adjust the picture view. All right, anti-flash are going to be 60 hertz, and you can turn that over if you want that. We don't need to rotate that. Sounds is a 50%. All right, you can mute it if it's off. Home away. You can activate that if you're away, and automatic. Somebody pass by, automatic detect no matter what. If you activate that, and time settings. All right, and right, you can set it up the time and activate that. They'll synchronize with your phone. All right, and recording settings. We're gonna put a micro SD card here, and we're gonna leave it that on, so automatic cycles in the new format. When the memory is full, go back and delete the old video maybe a month ago. Upgrade firmware. You don't need that right now because the camera has the latest firmware. And you can change the language. They are available in a different language: English, Dutch, and Spanish, and then Chinese and Japanese as well too. All right, and as you see, they're simple, super simple to use, real nice in resolution. And to bind this is super easy. The only thing you need to do, right, is when you go into the application here, you're gonna hit the camera. They ask you to scan, and if you look at right here in the back, right here, it has a scan code. So you're going to scan that code, and then that's the whole installation. Remember, for that it requires a 2.4 gigahertz. It's the only thing requirement and for this. Okay, and actually I will show you how to do that. So what we're going to do, we're going to unbind the camera. So I'm going to go and go here in the configuration, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to unwind the camera. Yes, so what I just did, I just delete the camera. So we need to reset the camera. So I'm going to press right here. I'm going to hold it for a second. It's reset, and you're going to see a blue light there. We're going to wait.
Hello, Dosigo. Waiting for connection.
Okay, and we see the blue light. Let's set the device. Let's scan the device. Okay, 2.4 my network, my password of my network. Next step is the blue light flashing. Yes, it find it. Click there. 60 seconds. It does that. Less than that. It's counting. Already find this stuff, but it's not flashing. That's it. At this point, living room, back door, shop, yard, balcony, safe. Done. Wait a second. Congratulations. You know, start or share the device. Click here, and it's glowed up right away. Just have to wait there, and that's it. Now let's bring the camera this way. Also, one thing I want to show you is the light, so we can see this way. And let's turn it on, and you can see that is super bright and powerful. Imagine that being outside and dark, it's going to illuminate, you know, a big area. Besides, you can slide this left and right. All right, so how you get one of these cooler lights to secure your property or home, right, your business? It's pretty simple. I'll leave you the link right below this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.